Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
How everything, I no concord to know how body. Forgive me. Respect. They could not help me do everything to share them because the problem they get for this life, family is always difficult for them to associate with you when you are struggling. But once you progress, they will begin to ask you. And if you don't give, you will see pressmen, the different people, neighbor will begin to say, as not be your brother, be that so person. Yes, Alaji, Imam, gangster, former pastor, Izeyamu. Thanks for reminding me. I catch the name. The name is very clear. Hey, James 1, I see your struggle, brother. If Pastor Izeyamu recognize you, my brother James, if for good, they see your struggle. You are doing everything possible in human to make sure the voice will be heard. God bless you for that, brother. Say my mission is different. I stand for the betterment of Edo State. I keep all my immunity aside to make sure Edo State become a great place, become a home, not the one we normally have. If you look the circle where you suppose so, my brother, if you look the circle, the people wey dey the background, they too get different things for body. Now they pay me. Hey, Pa Ojo, I see you, sir. They too get kata. I don't know how the man go fit take responsibility when he busy. If to say he can't turn the other way around, I don't know where he want from start. I see the small question where they ask, say, for 100 days in your office, what you go take and take do? I see here say yes. He talk and go here, talk and go there. We go first begin check whether government leave money put for our purse. If government not leave money, then we will begin ask question. Not be the same style of politics or governance. Not being we want to go back so. Now we go back to. If the one we did now begin ask question, I say it's that one ask question, he ask more. If they say continue the ask now, we for not see anything safe. Nothing. I even hear when they say he score on even 50%. So somebody will get 50 for exam, he pass now. I think say maybe go just say 10, 20. God go bless Pastor Yamu for saying the truth. The 50 now pass now. That one go fit enter university. So for him to come go they start again, and let's assume money no come dey, as he say here, say borrow dey here, borrow dey there. That be say na whoa, not be him go suffer am. Na me and you, we go still dey here. When we go here those states, we go run. I be want play music, my people. Since the music no want play, make I rest. May I rest, make we kukuma just see. Make una look this small thing. I don't say maybe una don't see am. I not just to share today, or I should share a little bit, then before I'll proceed. I beg. That's why I be supposed to let music dey the background so that we go dey enjoy the music. This where my brother Akpaka 99, where you dey? I can't dey see different questions. Different questions. The thing can't dey burst my brain. I say now wow. If not like this, because this one are the holy days where they do governor. Hey, James, you know what they talk now. This one are the holy days. They go come now. They go say the other one will come out, not leave money. Now it make us not fit do anything. We don't ask question from set to set, from court to court. Now, so we go just do 8 years go just ring boza. Nothing. We go still dey where we dey. The wonderful part of it all, now our great Baba Oba Atokpe, he said, Baba Owese. I go analyze am for them. Make una see the whole thing, because if we leave am for them, ibieka gwayaku, I see ani bieka ya gwayaku. Ya gwayaku. Ya wa amune koni ya vinya si ya ye kona. I ye school, I ye so. A mistake agaro. I grow for where they call Otegodu, where palace. I grow for where people, my papa, them, all of them, they go palace like backyard every day. So sometimes if they want practice what they learn or see for palace, now my body. So I know how to put things in the right way, where we are going to understand. Because some people, they ask questions. Some they talk and go here, some they talk and go there. If the country is poor, now me and you, now I go suffer. The suffer not be only them. Okay, I see you, James. Thanks, I appreciate. So if the thing is poor, now me and you, now I go suffer. We go really here win. These 8 years, 4 years, he long die. You know it be hungry. Hungry, where you go begin find how you want to survive. So as in not Greek stay like that, make we quickly do one because of time factor. So my people, we see what they happen all these few days. I get many when I supposed to choke mark put, but I can't see some of our brothers, they still they talk about them too. So because of that, I go try to leave some, talk some. Because the whole thing now we are fed. If we look election, I don't already reach grant. So what it be your plan? What it be my plan? How we see them? What it be our own target? We appreciate the people who this who or we know. Yeah, thanks, bro. Good night. Say me well to the family. I first talk and say, you know, say now America and other countries now me they deal with this kind of time. And some of our politicians will be say now they know now because if you see the waka with them waka today, now some of them did. Then I constantly see sometimes you still see I still see somebody go job post, he go say this mocking face. Now Obaseki the sponsor or Obaseki want it. Mocking face now mocking face. If they look for anywhere where be say go fit create problem. Obaseki not get time for all those kind of people. Now just problem, he just look for how he want to draw problem upon problem, put for ground. The man not even get time to respond to the people who even near and not to talk of that kind of person. So anything way you want to think, he not get time. The only way we go to survive this thing, I be waiting we supposed to talk. The issue where they grant, I was supposed to bother about, because I go no the area who don't spoil. You're not supposed to follow and they. So may I just share small to our government, small, and the people that matters, so that the idea when me they throw away, so if they help them, I don't see them for their campaign, then they use them, because once I dump them for them, then go watch them, they go pick inside. That is very good, and that is very good as a leader. A leader is supposed to listen. When you don't listen, you don't see everybody character. From there, you can't know say, this one are the person that follows, this one are the person that not go follow. Share and put for your wall if you want to go sleep, so that tomorrow you go come watch them. Anyhow you want be, share them, just share and put for everywhere. Inside your WhatsApp, inside your Twitter, wherever you want to share them, put them, no problem. So I can't dey see the way things they go. I just can't dey wonder, say which kind of life be this, my people. If we say make we repair am well, because if we say make we just dey do am the way it be, so now our own problem. These people they don't fix their own selves. This problem are we now just get time, not be them. So we need to fix time by ourselves. Check this out. This our sister, what the way they call Esther Dokbayi. I see am today. She dey provoke when police, whether not today the thing happen. I can't say, man, now why police go they do all this kind of thing? They're not fair now. Policeman, they threaten anyhow because of say she they drive new motor. You know, so they say maybe now just come from abroad. Then disturb her anyhow, nyanga. Bro, if I send them to the other line, maybe I see what they try to send. Just send them to the other line for me. This line, I think you get them. So, because if you send anything to this one, I know will fit respond. I know will fit see her. If maybe you are trying to pass me information. So Esther just they provoke for them small sha. As he go 50 provoke rich. One thing when I can't look and say this whole life, this our country, Obodo, Nigeria. Such a people supposed to they're supposed to still get some big respect, no matter how it be. It don't be star, not being put yourself there. Now in hard work, put on there. So our police supposed to still see such people once you don't say, I know say police not fit know everybody, but maybe if she don't present herself, you go say, okay, now you be this. All right, they go. Or you check and everything correct, they go. I know say nobody they perfect. But the case not be so. And then I can't look the way police they carry gun till they threaten Esther, threaten. Esther Dokbayi, I can't say, these police people now, wow, if they see thief, they go just kill them. But I can't see the way they threaten her, threaten the poor girl. I can't say, man, if they see, I see you. The great man, you know yourself, brother. I know the fear name. That is Bush Lion. I salute you, brother. Keep doing what you are doing. I respect people that do mean well for Edo State. Me na one man squad. As I talk any man, I see them the right hand put, Obaseki with a monkey face. Obaseki no even know monkey face. Monkey face, na stupid person. Don't already dey. Na in lifestyle, na he just dey. Even if he like post anything wey concern Obaseki, they support. Na a headache. Eddie Murphy, we give himself so Mr. Media President, social media president. You go was a good thing, they say what you just they do today, you just they react, you just they provoke. Governor no call you. You never put fire for the farm where you the brush. You just want start to the rip. And why we harvest where you are. As a bay, because vaguely remove them or barrier. As a bay, send this place more than cut time so that make it quickly learn. Make it patient. 1 year. Because even I as a billion. We warrior nyanga short over for and for the next one is one. So please, you don't start. You even don't shake hand with the governor. You don't already see him. Which appreciation you define again. Managwale, thank you from the government. Even Magwalo is just good man needing a winning stand. We need that state to be a place, not a home, not the way it was in the region of Oshomole and the rest, and even Yamu and Lucky Benedium. So we don't need it anymore like that. We need a place we can call a state we can call home. So if your fight is to see at the end of it all, the end of the tunnel, Woni na do they okay, they convenience, they conducive for you and me. I think that is enough. Owe mi no gualo ne mi no gualo ni hin. Abiro we gualo guale kwa gege. I swear, don't come and call me. Hey, where's no watani hiani no watani? Wahia where's it's enough. Medeba. So where deba? One your brother. I see your fight. Keep on doing it. The truth will set you free. All my pay where now, or ti pay where. So it matter you. So this space we now see here. So this one Bini Agbo Abi Onitsha self. Wait thief na armed robbers na block this road. Armed robber block this road. Na make all this vehicle they stand still. So in this process, I go forward down. Make una help me see our police. Egbe civilian heken wana aluetin. Not be the people where be say una supposed to be a blessing to. Una supposed to be see go the show na moso. Like this kind of place now. Now una supposed to be show moso. So when they look this guy, they are forward down. Una go see police people. Police people with better gun. Yeah. See police, the thief they sent her there, according to these people here. The thief then they sent her. So they look waiting, I want to show you. They look police with gun.
Look at the two sides of the road. Nobody has been able to hold them off possible.
Thief they from see police, Wagyan. See better gun with them hold. See better gun with them hold. With bulletproof everything. Better gun with them hold. Then see thieves. Then pause. They come hang for road. Hey Cliffo, I see you, bro. How's the family, bro? Better gun with them hold now. Then you see that then stay road. Away Yagoji will down. The purpose of police is for security, to protect the citizens. Not before them to they look for innocent stars where then go a Caterian, where then one begin they use gun till they threaten, they kill. They're supposed to carry that gun now, that AK-47 with bulletproof, mash those police, those armed robbers. But not be saying now still they force them because our government not care about them. If they just go there now, then die. Their wife, our government, our IG, then go just evict their wives, come on for police station, their building where they dey, their barrack. Then go chase their family, chase all of them. So even the government, they know the money deal with the people we supposed to deal with, police pensioner, all of them, the authority. Then they chop them. They not build police housing or whatever for police. So they create problem everywhere. So, but since we feel hide for thief, we will still they live at Katira and they live poor people where they road. Then do another waiting I try to talk about them. So now Pidgin English will take talk on this night. So before we start, make we do small prayer, because this one now when prayer, God will really answer prayer. If you don't try this kind of hour, to ask God for something, it never work for you. This one are the opportunity now. As I pray, your amen go pave way for you, for that thing where you need. Baba, we thank you. We give you glory. We give you honor. May your name be praised. I don't come this night, Baba, because I not get power of my own. I know say now you, now they do one. Even Joseph, now you do one for them. Moses, many uncountable. Now you they do one for them. You can't give us the reason. Say if we, as we they live under this head, we get power to do more than the one you do. So now make me believe. With that belief when I carry, now they work out. Baba God, as people they stand by, then we supposed to they sleep, some supposed to they work, some supposed to they rest. With all the labor, the stress they don't pass through, they still stay this night. Now you know that thing where they pay them for mind. Now you know what thing, that thing where they want, where be say they need them anyhow. But you know say that thing, if you give one to them, it will become problem. Baba, may you help them. to understand the reason why you delay am. But that thing wey be say go favor them, wey be say in any way the thing go dey delay because of one mistake of the person or that man or that woman or the neighbor or the family. Baba, I put their case into your own hand this very moment. Resolve on this night and give them answer. Let that thing begin to come to pass in their life that will favor them. But that one will be say go bring problem, bring sad news, make them become weak and be in pain, in sober. Father, not let them ever reach their hand. Do this and take all the glory. Every year, and the one will go tired this night, will go listen to me, and the one will go come here and later. Baba God, I pray, you know their heart desire. Give them that one will go favor them. But that one will be say go give them untimely death. Glad death will be saying they not go last. Father, take time away from them and let them begin to see the reason why you do one. Do this and take all the glory. Give me the power to speak word will be say go really. Anyone will hear and he go begin understand and give them the understanding of the word will go come out of me, so that they not go see any reason to feel bad. Those one will be the feel bad. Now APC or now anywhere PDP, Father, give them reason to understand. Say we all our fight now to see Edo State become home, because we don't tire to the run. We dey other man country, we still be like say it is upon all the goodies. It still be like say it is not. It never still work because we run come off from that place where He gave us because of politicians. Because now politicians now they sponsor tips, now they sponsor Agbero, now they sponsor CDA, now they sponsor the gangster or the bad thing. Baba God, this Obaseki way you don't give us, guide them, protect them, not let any arrow wey dem shoot for night or day, any morning, afternoon, not let them near them. Use them because of that way they carry, they go. God win. Make it be say yes, as you do always they win all battle where you go. Give them the knowledge and the power to serve the people, so that everybody go begin smile. Nobody will come they wait for one person to come they say, hey chairman, my bro, and if not be this man for no chop, if not be with that sister for no chop, that brother way the government, if to say not be here for no even get work. We don't want them again. We want to see everybody. As you go school or you learn work, you go see job and you go feel take care of your family. Baba, now so we want them, put them inside the mind. And bless Shaibu, bless all of them. We be say that man, that woman will be say want that state to be in peace and to become a progressive state. Bless all of them in abundance. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Well, we see. God bless you all. I can't see a lot of things inside palace. Inside our palace, gone. Because of time, we just fasting. I'm supposed to analyze and small. Inside palace, Osho Baba begin lie to you and me. He begin lie to you and me, to even our father and our fathers. We sit down for chair. Even the ancestors, our king we don't come out. Idi and Yesige. They begin lie to everybody. He said for all the 8 years when he do work well, perfect. He said in election, in campaign when they do once election, he they do them perfectly. No one will be say now one man one vote. When Oshomole no say for inside the mind, election when he do. Now so people they die. Now so people gone, they go up, they go down. Now so ballot bosses they fly heaven, they fly hellfire. Now so problem everywhere, wahala everywhere. Now so different things they happen, kidnapping, everything they happen for inside the election. He say na free and fair. If now you talk and so it be, it shall be well. But if not be so, I leave you and the ancestors and God. One thing when I go want you will be a do man, make we all understand. Make we join hand together, beg Oshomole. Make it live Edo State alone, he don't make money, make him go dey use am jeje, make him go stay him own way, make him live them, make him just forget anything wey concern Edo State, make he go dey manage wetin he get, wetin he don't get. Because I don't see anything. I don't check all the campaign where Oshomole they go when he be the APC chairman. Anyone where he be say Oshomole for carry leader, make una go the state, go see how they take do election there. Now blood. So why would such a man just come stand before the ancestors, go they lie to you and me? I know say he good for some parts. He help our brothers with the way he understands saying go fit help. That's why I say the one we get make it take and go to stay. If you they follow him, you love him. We are first talk about and where. If you love him, not react over waiting at the talk. I want you to really sit down as he be say yes, now your godfather, now your brother, now your man, now your Messiah. Make you still sit down, think waiting I talk. If I lie, then you feel react. But if I not lie, make we join hands together, beg and say, he don't do, the one way he don't collect, make him go stay. Make him leave this man alone. Izeyamu. Our king, Obara talk where he said, he can't do everything the way that they do things. Everything possible. Baba, Yabome, Amen. Imaese no te do adegbe guanya menutane. Eti agwanre we no maheke. Yabome ge. Oba talk because I know eminent people from the palace, they will listen to me later. And some will be watching me now because I know. So, our papa, the king, the royal highness, he can't call this gentleman. He called them, called both the Rasta, called both the gentle one. Make una come, make I check una. As he called everybody, he checked them. Mana ni nwa wo tegodo. Obi edo eze do na ma. Mani nwa wo tegodo. No nwa leke na na bohie. Avera ni je palace dedegbe. Uwe bu mana nwa. Mana aya we practice. Now we if they don't come from palace, now they do practice. Take the judge. So I get a lot of knowledge of wetin happen for inside palace. Everything will happen there. I come see and say, hey, our papa now whole style man, whole style king. Oba talk be. You know say for life, if you get pikin, if you want make your home better, now the first son where you first born, now you go hold accountable. Because you know say, if you don't go, now he go become father. Now you go will all the things too. Now he both the junior, all of them. Now you go constantly take charge because you know say, waiting day your body is still day body. That authority, that patience, that style of governor or leadership is day body. So you go call him. Now you go pour everything. You know say you go all those things you get them. So when issue come up, now him be the person where you go call too. See, your brother I hear say they cry today, waiting happen. Before you know it, he don't give you boza. All those better beating, where would they collect for our papa hand? So, and that one even wrong. He go beat you. They go beat you join now anyhow nyaga with better cane. My father get different name where they call it cane. Or different names. As a soldier man, he constantly get 3 months koboko. So they use them anyhow for us. For me. So, as he can't look all the old issues, he can't gather them together. You go see him. there's no place anywhere you for here say measure agbero. When I mean agbero, you understand me. There is nowhere. But if sometimes if I go look some video now, here say agbero go shout, hey, palace, erimano, erameno. But you don't hear where for measure, because he don't feel associate himself with those kind of children. Because he get the way you take put yourself as a father. People go come see say, what be your monoma egbeni? That name. You know, say some children, they go just make papa become nobody, rubbish. So that's why they see say, during our time, our parents go just tell you, say, it the son anywhere. I'm no more your father. So all those things, they happen, which you and me know. Now so it they be. So all these other people, if they know, they are irrelevant. So he can't call these people, say, look, make una come, make I talk to now. He look Chief Alaji, Pastor Zeyamu, he keep on my side. He look amiable governor. He can't go look Shaibu. He can't look all of them. He check them. He look am. He call Shaibu name. Awo ogie la enyo wayati. Ege no kwa no. He call am Owimen, my pikin. My pikin. Did you know what that means? The reason why they use this word, or the reason why they talk these things, if una look am, the only thing when I feel call person, I feel call you my brother. I cannot call you my friend. Because he says, show me your friend. I will tell you who you are. He call am friend, he call am all sort of name. Because, yes, then they born pikin, then will say this pikin for inside. He know they give up. He know they give up any fight. He's ready to fight unto the end. Now I know you very well. So I know you very well. Me and you supposed to understand what that word mean. He can't look the amiable governor. He can't go use one word. First thing remind Oshomole. He can't use one Bini. Emire Uweken. Emiru Weken. Now where they inside now know what they inside there. Waiting happen. Because you, the way you don't first take on introduce this man to me, I don't talk anything. The way every way you don't talk, and I go reserve waiting you talk against the other person. I go keep that one aside away from you so that I don't be waiting I can't talk here. Because one way we are supposed to know, there are so many things Oshomola said when we're supposed to check fat dey inside, big fat. It's just that say this time election don't reach. Who I go bring now we go fit come make me make money. We go fit come satisfy those boys where we they use for dirty job now. This man don't already remove him. I need to bring somebody where he go on, where he gets the same idea of criminality, the same idea of how to destroy, how to embezzle. I need to bring somebody with the same mind. We get the same mind with the same those boys will be the lion and tiger. I need to bring somebody like that in. Because if I follow this governor, whether they call Obaseki, if I bring another type, will be like Obaseki. The same offense where still the ground will continue there. I know say all these things. When we they talk all these things, now because of you and me. Because if you tell me say that state, the way it be before now, you like him, you lie. Be you APC or PDP or AGA or APP, you lie. Because we all know say the way the state of that state before now is nothing to write home about. It is a death trap. Now where be say vampire can't even they fight people, they kill people by themselves, they chop. That is where we are. The whole thing was just upside down. The system, there is nothing to write home about. So, he can remind Oshomole, say, look, this person, see how you don't talk. He want it when I want make una underline. He not get one place where our papa, the king, say, these 3 years where you don't do, governor, you not do well. He not dey. Say, you bring her come now, says you bring her come. The state can't get problem. People, schools, pensioner, every day by day can see people they protest. Apart from una two know waiting day. I want to resolve this one case, I know we'll see this one. I want to resolve the other one case, I know we'll see that one. And una supposed to carry that in account they affect the citizens. If you really love the people as you claim, Mr. Oshomole. If true, you love the state as you claim. That thing where be say they inside war or they underground, where me and our brothers, family, the whole Edo state people don't know, where you now know. You're supposed to let the thing come they affect the state, affect the work of the government. So you can't check the thing because they talk very well there. You can't they remind them, look, if the king don't see anything talk about, maybe I go give you, let me give you number to call in. Not this line. Let me just put a number to call in if you want to have a word to say. I see say somebody is trying to call in. So for me not to be distracted, I'm supposed to just finish my talk first before anything. So he can't let them know. He said, look, no error now for his performances. The only thing we can see say una dey quarrel unnecessarily. Wetin una dey quarrel put they no fit see am. They don't know. He don't know as a king of the land. But not that this man, the quarrel is this man is not performing. No. So before I go, may I just quickly Sonny, I know you very well. God, go and sleep. Sonny, if you say Obaseki is not working, sometimes I dey like good argument so that we go correct each other. It's just as you dey talk am now. You are free. Me, I be one person. You know me. You don't. Maybe you don't dey follow me for long, which I know from PFN. I know that. If you say Obaseki no work, I go like you go show me the area where not a work. You go see say me, I go follow you now. You not go hear me talk again. I don't put the number there, my bro, if you want to call in. I go follow you talking. So that, you know, say me, the way I tell you to do my things here, if I see say you want to distract me, maybe later if I bring you back, I go put you for popular side so that we not go they argue. If you feel explain why you talk about betrayal, it go better. Okay, if he betray Oshomole, fine. Oshomole don't still kick him out, pursue and throw away for inside APC. So let everybody go their ways. I do you do me. If not so, you still see him, make you still see him like that. But Mr. Sonny, I know say this will not be your name. I want you to check these things. Obaseki na betrayal, na be the offense. Let them two go face waiting be that way they take they betray each other. Make them go face and now because now the two of them I know waiting day inside. Waiting they share with teeth where me and you don't know. So not before you now to come look and say, but this man is working now for the people. We, me and you, make the government, be he come from anywhere, AACO or the other one, oh, make it work for you and me. Now be our own priority. Now finish, now be waiting concern us. Then go they fight to, they not fight to, it's none of our business. The only way where it go can become our business, just as it can't be our business for Edo State today. If you look Obaseki now, the reason why Edo people grip holy garment, holy leg, holy hand, holy waist, they don't want to let them go because they work for you and me. I see one person now, one old man, he be the sick. As he hear alarm for his phone, this man get up. Today, this man be done almost die. But as he see alarm, now so he get up, he begin jump. Come they take Obaseki name, they sing, they praise him. The best prayer any man or woman or a state can ever think of to have is for pensioner, our parents, to pray for you as a child. To see say yes, then they eat their that thing where they work for. That labor, that sweat, that suffer where they suffer in the morning, in the evening they come they gain now. So they will open up their mind to pray for you. If not only that one, just as you be talk now say betrayal, not be say it not work. You see, say make we understand ourselves. Me, I not be politician. I not come here, I not sure. If I want even ask say make Obaseki give me work, make I do now say I want go ask work. Make it just give me that unwo there, Adesagbon road. Make I go do one. Make me just tie and put light. Because it not concern me, concern profit. Make I just fit tie that road. Put gutter for two sides. Go come out for a Bunenya, a Gonoba. Just tie and nylon road. If I tie and put light for both sides, I suffer rest. Because every other person will go there, just they want go chop. Where they know say if you build two houses, you don't become crazy person. Because you now only one room, now you go feel sleep. So if you build houses full everywhere, go they build company. Now nonsense. Because if your pikin grow up tomorrow, then go come they sell them because the idea where you get towards those business or those things where you they build so, they can never see it or know how to manage it. So you see, say everything where they spend money put now, they would have allowed the money to put lives and put souls into existence, not put it there in debt or pain or agony. So any money where you park now, instead of you to create road, to do that thing where you the chairman, or you be chairman, you be councillor, you be whatever, to use the money they give you to do what they tell you to go do, you go they swallow them. You know how many people dying because of that money where you just divert. They begin fly abroad. They go to rent a hotel, build company. You know say I say that nonsense. You know how many people go die. You know how many people you go deprive from good education. You know how many women will be say where they conceive, where you go put in labor, where be say they go lose their children along that road where you not tie, where you not great, where you go do anyhow. So my brother, my concern here, betray or not betray, is none of our business, none of my business. My business is as he's doing well, as he can't go palace. The king did not say, Oshomole or anybody did not say, as a king in the scene, he not talk say, this man, this since 3 years, the offense where he offend you and me is not working. Hey, you are welcome. Differences, I say you, it's not working. All the 3 years now, so it turned Edo State to become nothing. Nothing. No, it did not say so. But he want to resolve issue between Oshomole and Governor Obaseki. He not see this one. This one, if you see this one, not see the other one. So two of them problem, I be that. So me and you on this one way they will say betrayal now. If they open mouth now, Obaseki open mouth, Oshomole open mouth, now you go come dey disappointed. Abi you not see where Pastor Alhaji Chief Izeyamu go respect. He say na my brother. This one say na my brother. You not see him. That one are where the reason why I say make Oshomole make it think twice. Make it soft relieve these people. One parable where una supposed to understand. as person wey grow for Oterodo, if you don't know the meaning of Oterodo, I fit talk am for English. As person wey grow for Oterodo, he say you, Oviedo, you don't pa Oviedo. Why bina bana? Pata with 4 years or that with the other one. Awful. Pata when he do 4 years, or he can still do another 4 years, he finish. 2 of you go still there. Those states are still una own. So as a father, we know say want to discipline his senior son. The first thing, as he just analyze and so, he carry the first son. Carry the children will be say, no, say, this one are my first seed. So he disciplined them. Now he tell the first son, go discipline your junior ones. Go talk to them, go arrange them, let them understand. That is, the issue is solved. If you say, na my papa, he go still carry cane, can't flog that first son, flog me, join am. Give me better 24 stroke. People wey know my father go understand, know wetin I dey talk so. Wey know me son, no know say na me be this now. So he go still carry cane as a soldier man. Go still carry cane, can't flog, join am again. You go hear win. So my brother or my sister, as our king come analyze the whole thing, you can't see and say he can't do and so he carry the first son, he can't say, Shaibu, you now my son, when I know say yes, you know they take nonsense. I trust you. But not be so they talk, but that is everything. If they don't bear me, I can't talk on the way the thing be. He can't let us see him say, yes, I dey see what you they do. As I know you very well. A son, everything, my deputy, my this, he call a different name. Then when you arrange him, he tell them, say, make una go take charge. Make una go carry on. Go put una younger one, put for where they belong. Osho, with everything you don't talk, remember, because he not go just tell and say, remove your hand, come on for their body. Or come on for politician. No. He let them understand, say, you be Benin. The other one, you be Benin. You, Osho, remember that way you talk about this person. You don't ask me questions. You follow me, go here. You follow me, go everywhere. You follow me, go in different places. You invite me different places. You still continue to talk. I don't get anything when I talk. But at the end, this man really can't do well. So I'm short of words. I can't say and say, since all the government where they come, our king not talk this one. Since all the government where they come, if we want to compare, make we talk truth to ourselves. Show me one governor where it don't work, rich like Obaseki. See debate where they do today now, this evening, or that yesterday. Pastor Chief Izeyamu Agbero na Agbero. Una no go fit understand. Because these people, if we dey talk to them, because now we dey suffer and not be them. So anyhow we will talk to them, we need to talk to them. Because we now still human being. Now still senior we be. If we see best way they go wrong, we know them. And they surprise for some of our people. They go just see what they go wrong. They go still one clap hand. They go still one pretend say they don't see any error. Because of say I love you. I know say yes, error day on you. I know if we tell you, how can't they be your friend? Chief Alaji Zeyamu, if you see all this boy not they advise you for your this thing, pursue they come out now. Embrace people like us where they talk the truth the way it be. Oshomola is the best governor of Edo State. Sonny, how old are you? Okay, Sandy. I said I never look at Sandy, how old are you? Please, if you fit tell me. If you still ask me, if you tell me, I fit still tell you my own. Because if not the recent generation, now you be, I go understand. If not being, I go still understand. Because if you tell me, say Oshomola is the best government, the only reason why I go agree with you, now before introducing Governor Obaseki to you and me, to Edo people. That is only where I go accept, say yes, is the best. Every other thing, how will a man, I first ask, make me ask you, Sandy, you go carry money, go bar, go dey buy, you go bar, go dey buy drink for everybody. You tell them chop ishewu, chop ukombi, chop everything, mona chop cow head, chop everything, mona drink. Then as the drink finish, you can't see that your close friend as they come, you can't say, bro, I beg, I dey comot, pay for all these people. Help me pay the barman, all the people we chop for here, those 1,100 people we chop. Help me pay. Can't call you Sandy, help me pay. Now you be the close friend. I want you to be sincere before God, because this very moment where we did, so I feel use God to use one word for you. Be sincere. You go pay. I want to hear yes or no. If you go pay those B, if you go pay, then I go accept, I go tell you something, and I go leave everything. I no go bother again. So as our king, come arrange everything, meet the first son, draw an ear, do the right thing, carry everything, move on. The reason why I talk this, because I see some few things where people they send to me, some few things where people they write. Now so the king don't he give Shaibu stroke. Now so he talk to it. Now so how come they wonder? These people now just these recent days people. They not come from those holding days life. They don't know how Edo people take the judge case. They don't know how our papa take the iron issues. Now make they just follow and the way they just did now. Time where be say you feel as your papa say, are you stupid? Papa, you are not okay. That this kind 21, this kind of idea where they get these days. Now you not just take conclude. So we will be say did that time. Now they can't talk to you today. Say this is how we judge case. Now don't go tell you say use advanced eye. Take look inside that bag. Jawe no one yagek boni. Emi oworu where. Meat dey under the bag. But as an advanced man, he go use advanced eye. Take look the bag. He go bring am, he go show am to the small pikin. He go say, look this bag. You see any meat inside? He go use hand cover am. Now word I talk so. So people wey advance know wetin I dey talk here. Or people wey grow from a better home. So if you can look all these old issues after the case, the whole case, you're supposed to understand, say, since there is no error in his leadership, the way they manage the system, the affairs, that be say the only error, now be I not see this see 12 una settle finish. Now be the only error. So I think that man has gotten a pass mark there. And me and you, whether the governor or the lead, what we want from them is now for the system to work well. I don't want to begin from now, can they analyze or can they talk about different things where it did. Where me and you know. Me, I still did Nigeria December. I see. If you can't go check my previous video, I still they talk to this man. You just turn everything upside down. Sandy. May you leave me for a way since you see say you're supposed to know the kind of person you come meet here now. You're supposed to know me before. Me, I not be anyhow person. I know what I'm doing. I know the support person because of say make it come call for me. I know the support person make it come praise me. I not be social media president where he never put fire for the farm where they catch. He only just weed. He never even burn the grass. He want begin uproot plantain, cut plantain, uproot yam. How you want to come where you not plant? So the fight is just started. Everybody now no expect governor to come, Governor Obaseki to come tell you say thank you, can't do this. No. What we expect from Mana is for we to continue to support and pray for him and tell God to let him do the thing wey be say go bring blessings or put smile for me and you face. Na wetin be our concern. Now when fight we just start. Now when e don finish, after e don balance, you fit come back say, now they expect your thanksgiving. Now I need you to bless me. Yes, so now I see everything they do. So we be people where stand. If you really look at those states today, now people where they outside the country. Yeah, good night. Thanks a lot. God bless you. Bye bye to you now for this time. Good night. Bye bye to you. I believe say I don't convince you, and I believe make we understand. Sandy understand. Waiting concern us. Me and you, I don't first tell you now. The children who will come they born for abroad. The life of they live for abroad. You go see 80 years old man. Those days when we they see you see say person if you don't they reach 40, 50, he go say, everybody 50, 60, he go begin fly back to those state to his state. This time 90 years old, you go graveyard for abroad. You go see where they bury our Nigeria people. You go see some way don't hold now. They say yo man, hold Nigeria. We do pataki, we san. All of them still they road, and their children trust Oibo life. Their children don't work, can't leave them. You see, they only one they go drop and put for where they call orphanage home or where they take off nanny, whether for the take off old woman. This is not our ways. This is not waiting. We know our culture is not our ways. We different. So this whole thing we don't tire. It's our time we need to fix the state. Make you check on Sunday. If this APC chief Alhaji pastor Ezeyamu native doctor and everything, if he win, if they talk about he go carry people along, which people in one carry along if we want to be sincere? Let's forget say he talking by say nah the Agbero, the lion and tiger now go favor pass, now regime go favor. Which people want carry along? Which people in want put for office? If he carry all these people now go put for office, you like waiting they happen all those while. You know, see your man. He did debate yesterday. Debate where he enter. Question where they answer. He was just waiting for Obaseki to just tune well or battery wells with him, so that making see opportunity start fight. You know now, you know these kind of people. Fight, make it just start fight unnecessarily. Kingsley Solomon, are you sure say I don't know you, so I beg not just distract me so that me I not put you for a popular side. Go back to where I from start so that make you not come jump into issues. You go make mistake. So he was just waiting. So let's assume say the whole thing just come like that, or that man react. You know see a small time where a governor say I dey comot. Thank you for your understanding, Kingsley. I dey comot. I get things when I want go resolve. You can just see the utterance. You can see waiting they come out for a man we want to lead you and me. As Kingsley, you not know say if to say na Governor Obaseki na he did the shoe of Chief Alhaji Pastor Ezeyamu that evening. Pastor Ezeyamu will come say I dey comot. You think say Obaseki go, if let us be sincere, you think say he not will continue with his deputy. If we say we could be sincere. This is two Benin men. He go continue with him. Waiting is important. You're supposed to trust your deputy. If your deputy now time self make we be the people where they want to lead to take know who they follow, whether he get head or he not get head. We go even happy so that make we hear. We they want to talk to. We are ready to listen. We not complain. But he start complain. You see the way the complaint start. These people, they no want go govern themselves. Now me and you, they no want manage economics of themselves. Now our economy, they no want manage their own purse, their money. Now our money, now they want manage. Our future, now they want use. Now they want manage. So for such a thing, as he say, now my do brother, you dey call now this one. You say you dey respect. He say, see, I dey comot. As a governor, you supposed to expect and say go get some kind call. Supposed to, because of that, say, okay, after our Baba don't still resolve the issue for Palace, see the reaction, a leader, someone who want to become a Edo State governor, see a reaction, how it they react against Shaibu. As that issue be done, as Baba don't resolve him, he go let him go. Or Dion, maybe you na over do him. Or Dion, what Dion take of him? As a Benin man, there is no way you will fit a change and say you not be Benin man again. This our culture. It is no longer is no longer in use or no longer important. We supposed to still hold am strong, because such a person, if you not feel hold am strong, tell me one thing where the society go expect us to give back to the society tomorrow. Which example you want to give to them? Which training you want to give to the society tomorrow with this kind of art? So failure, now small, you just see error. By yourself, as a wise man, as a child who grow from a responsible home, you're supposed to just see him. He get person where you do actions, where you go see. He go just let you understand, say, hey, this person, I beg, since I not go fit fight and make it they go, because I don't already know who the kind of person will be. So we no feature they see fire. We'll just say make we close our eyes, put hand. The people where in the park they go, all the lion and tiger, they feel be better person. But these people, they don't already know how to spend million. They don't know how to manage naira, kobo. It's not possible. They cannot manage monthly salary. It's not possible. They don't know how to manage it. These people are used to making money every day. If they, as they dark, you know, they see them that time, 8 o'clock. To see driver go still see Agbero for center of Agboba Road. They still they ask, say, pay money for ticket. In the morning, you not pay me. 8 o'clock in the midnight. 7 o'clock, Agbero still put towel for neck and singlet. He still they ask driver, to pay driver, you not pay me the neon. They still they draw money for center of road. These people then used to making money every day. So they cannot manage. So because of that reason, show me which position this man, how he want to rehabilitate them. It's not possible. Make we see truth, make we talk. Because this whole thing now go they affect later. We don't tire. Make system move. They not go let them move. They not get anything they are upstairs to deposit to the upcoming, apart from to bring them up in their own way, their style of living. If they don't they weak, they go train other people to start their own style. Because you see say in Edo State, you can see say small people just they grow. If you they ask them 4+4 for school, you go they say money. All of them don't. Now only money, they don't begin know how money. Now that kind, if you check that kind of system, we are all in trouble. So truth has to be told. This man, he go not get one thing tomorrow we want bring. We be say go come make that society, Edo State, tomorrow come say he want improve. You see him, okay, they talk about, they ask some question. Now a wife now did this thing. A wife now did UBTH. Me, I know that UBTH. If I start to talk the story now, you go tire. If you can't still go check the whether Romy where they go they try to create kata there. All these years then they grant, they not go do anything. But it don't reach time now when they look for how to enter government, enter Edo State Treasury. They don't start to do something. You see that road where they go, they carry grade that they grade. during Lucky Benedict, all of them. Now they take destroy those states. We erosion take dey everywhere to date now. Where we take they get erosion for everywhere. Those road where they show well all of them now they create them. They go carry bulldozer, remove the Kota way and Busali put. They not go put back. So this man, you see the debate. Okay, they can ask and say, as COVID-19 happen now, wetin go be your own if you did the position? Wetin you go fit do? You see how he turned the whole thing. He turned the whole thing. You not check and say, inside the COVID where they talk, many movements can't dey restricted. Income no can dey come. Many things can't dey somehow. You not check am. This one now you see and to talk, you know they hard them. It always they go refer to in writing simple agenda down. Buhari, una not the same for news. They go ask Buhari question. Every time he want to talk, he must get paper. We'll see Bajo or the cook where they write for him. Now that paper now he go they read. The question where they go ask him, he go de Zaria. The answer where he go come give, he go de Sokoto. 80-day paper now he go come they read. So this simple agenda thing. Now waiting they take follow us since where we get independent come reach today. Now that paper where they write till they confuse people. Every year in year out, they go come they add more stories. They join them. Just as the Western country take change Bible, come add different things to join the side Bible. So their own now Africa style, they come every year they go renew them, change, bring more words. So once you see that simple agenda book now, that book where we say Godfather, Godmother, where they write down, because that thing is like it be like I don't know whether na chain or column or course. So anybody will come on that day. This one a process where they must pass through. So this is where you must read to people. And once you read down to people, people must convince. So now I want you to understand one thing. You that is talking, why you not go Nigeria? I tell you, say I did Nigeria for December. You not here. Be careful according to your name. Go if you want to write something, please try to go back to the starting so that you will understand me. If you really mean well for the state, your name according to the fake name you write here, Egugu. Be careful. If you if you really want to have any word to say or to counter my talk, you go back to the starting so that you not go make mistake. I even lay curse on people like you in the beginning. So I don't want the curse to affect you because I love my people. One thing where you are all supposed to know is this. The error of the government of Godwin Obaseki, our governor Obaseki, the only error we get now where you and me know. Ian Oshomo led the quarrel. The quarrel, you will be this Egugu or be careful. You don't know. Me, I don't know. Even go reach our papa, the king, he don't know what they happen. Only two of them I know. The error now, I don't hear say from the palace now say they say the government is not doing well in its activities for the state. No error there. So what it concern me, and you not be with the state, the government to do well for the state. Not be our business. This style of say governor will come. The only thing people that benefit from it is the people that went extra length, go steal ballot box, go kill human being, go commit all sort of atrocity, some sort of waiting not supposed to happen for during and after the election. These are the people that matters. These are the people that will benefit. So one way we supposed to understand, say, make we understand, say, the situation where we dey, Obaseki not do as this boy John Sagi. He go Welu Road. Obaseki not do Welu Road. Welu Road, go check am how many years it don't be like that. I not take am as yastic or maybe now say he suppose why not he do well we not do. I want him to do it too. Me, I don't first quarrel with Oshobole put for that to Welu Road. Because I dey drive motor dey go Welu spare parts. Things are not working well. But if you say make Obaseki rest, I want you to understand one thing. You hear Yamu today. He said if he come in the 100 days, he go take until they check finding. The same time, he go check if money not dey, now be say na wahala. You suppose if person they talk, you don't already know where they go. Now be say that 4 years will be useless. It will be useless. But those boys under him, it will not be useless for them because those ones already know how to make their money. They will not put all those their hunger and see that as an opportunity for them to rape, to benefit all their losses. You see their hunger. They are coming with hunger, say, make them just enter. Now so they go revenge. They are not coming because of you and me, Solomon. They are coming with hunger for revenge. They say where two elephants they fight, who go suffer? Who go suffer? The people. Your family don't suffer. You don't still suffer. Now you don't come abroad. If he rests now you put him, come make it come governor you. For 4 years will be useless. What will those animals or lion and tigers and those people, what will they become to your family that you left behind and the one that is in abroad? Waiting will be their fate? Pikin where you just frustrate and useless for 4 years. Pikin will be sabi how to read and write. Wey be they think about say yes, once he finish school, he go become better person. For 4 years, there's no forward, there's no backward. He stands still. Which it say that pikin go become? Either he become papa, emergency papa, or the female they become mama unnecessarily, or armed robber, or become nothing. It not affect you in any way now, my brother or my sister. Una know they check all these things. Una only just no, you want to bring this person, you want to bring this person. Una know they check who you they bring, they come. Waiting you want can't do. Who they bring down, they come. Who want sponsor them? Which people they push and where they help and they come. Where you go put the waiting go happen next. I salute you differences. So and sometimes I no go blame our people. When you see people they write like this, not be their fault. Until sometimes when they don't listen, they will come understand. Because if you know they check all these things, I know they like people will be say just they think about only today. Only today. If you look people where they go create problem for America. PDP use the high talk. If you talk down and you lie, Solomon. If you want me to begin open mouth to that side, now you yourself go sit down. You go just sit down. You just put hand for head, or you go open mouth, fly, go enter inside, come out, do Django Luva, you go come out. You know if he close down. So leave those things because of say then they call a Shaibu name. My brother, you know if you know what it be talk, you not go talk this way you talk so. If you know what thing, our drivers, the people who rent stores, electric weather, mechanic, our mother, our brothers, our students, if you see what then pass through for the hands of those people who they talk so, you yourself go understand why those states can't get those bad names where you see. If we they talk about to Shomole, If you want me to start to analyze, I not be JJC. I don't first tell Luna. If you maybe with this name when you call yourself, so you're supposed to person know me. Those states, they not born me for a village center. That they born me center of those states. I grow from different places. You go reach that everywhere for that Edo state before even other Africa country. So my people, my brother or my sister, you know, say get name will not be beer, the thing they did somehow. So all this whole thing, now waiting concern us, now they talk so. Now waiting, all this are my experience, now waiting I see, waiting I don't know. So this man that God has used through Shomole to come and bring smile, to put smile in the face of our parents, our teachers. You hear as the chief is there, they talk today, which teacher. I laugh. It's just that say, sometimes if you want progress, pray make obstacle not come. If you look the mission where the government be there, as it renovate that stadium, as it refurbish the teachers. If to say no be this corona thing where just can't jump enter, you foresee waiting the development way for come at those states. You yourself, you for tire. You for understand. The Western world, where all of us, some of us, they here. Where the youth, where their power they, we suppose you're not supposed to ask yourself all this question. Where their power they? If you know all these things, you're supposed to understand what that man put down, how it's supposed to be a blessing. During Oshomole time, Fulani herdsmen, they were not killing our mothers in the farm. They were not chasing all of them in the farm. This one, where then they go carry people from Abuja, from North. Boys, check their rally. So young boys. Those Fulani herdsmen. Where then they go carry come. So, if you they go Abuja or you they hear about Abuja now, you can't just take a taxi or keke nape in Abuja. You peradventure you can't go hold phone or hold your bag they pose. You are in trouble. That if na ear you put on that ear go come out. These people only understand how to. They have the authority to be with in the position of weapon. And now, those ones say for a whole center, Abuja for that matter, then they feel operate like that. Now when they come ask it, come at those states, now they not go feel operate, and it can't be say, no worry, I will come vote. Not be, I did. So far this band, the one at the band, I be not so some of them, I know they read the news. You go see how many, then ban Air France, ban the different flights now to come at those states. I be to